Recording. A little bit into the bank account, I thought, my hope lines from taking head here. How did I get here? I'm going to add on now. How do I fix it? You're not alone, and you're definitely not broken. The truth is, you don't need 6 figure salary or decades of savings to take back your control. You just need a system. You need to decide that's what you're going to do. But I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that at any rate. It doesn't matter how old you are. So, spoke to you in the last video about how we can look at saving our financial future. And my name is Kate Montgomery. At 50, I had to start over from zero. Well, actually, from minus zero, from minus split. I had no savings. I had a daughter who was dependent on me. I didn't have a financial safety net at all, but I had a reason. Little girl, and that was going to become my roadmap back my financial independence. And I'm not saying it's going to take 2 seconds. It takes a while. So here's a little truth one. That no one tells you as a professional woman. Can't take back control of your money until you take back control of your narrative. What you say to yourself comes about. If you keep saying I'm bad with money, guess what? You keep saying I'm too late, guess what? Your brain and the bank account are going to believe it. That's what's going to happen. That's what's going to be fulfilled. And your first step isn't necessarily your spreadsheet. Your first step is you and your mindset. Let's look at the control framework. So let's break it down. 3 simple steps for you to start following to there. Okay, step 1. Let's all do it without any emotion. So it's not good to pass decisions. That's irrelevant. It doesn't matter. Just study them. You just got evidence. That's all it is. Write down every bill, every debt, every subscription. You're not punishing yourself. You're just preparing yourself for your new power. Step 2. Build freedom flow. So the freedom flow is quite simple. This is a system for your money movements. So let's think about that. Money we've got coming in, with 70% of that for living. So that's everything that you need to live, you know, your main bills and your food and your outs. 20% for your debts and savings. And then put 10% aside for your freedom fund. That's your future income builder. Your side business, your investment, your community. I know. So this is how you look at surviving with strategic earnings. You're going to put them in different pots. Okay. Step 3. You know the saying that you become the sum of the 5 people closest to you. So think about those 5 people. Find your circle for your accountability. Okay? You're not going to be able to do this on your own. So inside the community that I'm part of, there are women just like you. Just like me. We support each other. We give guidance, we give reassurance, we give support. It motivates. So the community helps to create your confidence. That was a good part of what I learned. And like I've already said in my last video, I've sometimes dipped back into that and I have confidence. Everybody's better than me. Everybody's got everything together more than me. But We all do it. We all do it. We all stick into it. So let's think about, like, a picture your financial life like a car on a motorway. So you're coasting along, okay? And you're moving at a steady pace. So you're going to change gear. We're not flooring it, but we're going in one direction with steady consistency. That's control. That's how control feels. It's not there, not chaotic, it's steady, and you know where you're going. So, here's your next move. Take an hour this week, sit down with your numbers, give yourself a minute to remind yourself you're not behind, you're just becoming the new you. You've got this. Remember, you've got this. In the next episode, we're going to look deeper into breaking the rules. How you, and friends will refinance your life. Our. So don't forget to hit subscribe. Don't forget to comment. Your comments control. I know that you've watched the video, and let's keep building your freedom together. Talk to you soon.